Let's go through how we're going to get onto Prodigy. So you're going to go to this screen right here, and it's going to say play.prodigygame.com. And you're going to go down here where it says New Player and click on New Player. You're playing from school so that I can keep up with what you've been doing. So click on School, then click Next. Right here it says class code, so you're going to enter your class code. So then you're going to click Next. And then you're going to put in the class code. So for block 1, the code is BA, whoops. So I'll have the codes out for you. So then you put the code in. And so for example, block 1 is BA 0B 5D. And it would say I was good to go. Or block 2 is 1A 25 E5. And it says good to go. And then it says 5E 65CB. This is third block. Good to go. And then you would click next. And then you'll put in your name. So put in your real first name. So you just type that in here. First initial of your last name goes here. And then you go to next. Then you make up a password. And you put it in again. And then you begin to play. And you make an avatar and so forth. So I hope this was helpful to you.